Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
What up, what up? It's your builder guy. This is my 2017 Honda Civic Type R. Today's gonna be a simple video. I'm gonna prep the car for body work, clear all these door panels off, these panels here in the trunk. We got the seat belts in, the airbag module as well. So we're gonna start by replacing that first. And also I got the odd tail out today, and I'm gonna clear some of these lights that I had on the dashboard. So let's get to it. All right, seatbelts have been replaced. Let's connect that battery and see if this thing's gonna blow up on us. Good. Well, nothing deployed. Horn works. Let's get to work. All right, so we had a airbag light on. Let's see if it comes back on. It probably will, because it needs a airbag recalibration on the passenger side. Okay. Still showing us it's still there. So let's get into this. Start messing with it. After digging around a little bit, same thing, same issue. And it keeps telling me this. Alright, the one thing that I wanted to clear out was that airbag light, but instead I ended up clearing out all the traction lights and the brake lights. I'll show you how I did that. So, all is good. I have a problem with the airbag light. I think the company that I sent it out to didn't clear it correctly, so I'm gonna end up sending it back to them. But for the traction, what I ended up doing was I went to hot function and steering. And then I just went to the ABS VSA and I just recalibrated all the sensors, and now we're good. I just got that one light. Before I jump onto this quarter panel, some of you guys may know I manage a shop here called Turbo Import Parts. We sell parts for turbocharged or imported cars. We got this Mazda Miata in. Some of you guys Mazda guys already know on the forums. You guys saw it all over the place. This is how it came in. Well, a company from Japan bought this engine and it's going to SEMA. So we got to yank her out real quick, put on a pallet, and send her out. I'm just gonna do a little walk around so you guys can see. This was a nasty accident. Everybody's flipping out about how this frame is bent all the way down. Not quite sure, but from what I can tell, it was a rollover, so see how it rolled this side and then probably stood up and hit a pole and smashed that section in. Who knows? All right. Oh, and before we pull it, I want to show you guys that even with this damaged valve cover, there's still oil on the dipstick. So I know for a fact this engine's good. I wish we could have ran it, but off to see when she goes. All right, so got the engine pulled out, washed up, looks good, ready for SEMA. They're gonna replace that valve cover, I'm sure. If you guys need any parts for the 2016 Miata, I'm gonna include a link to Turbo Import Parts. Go ahead and ask away in the messages on Facebook. So to mark this engine so we know it came from here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the number 9, which is here already. Now we're gonna put a number 3 right next to it. See that? Let's see if you guys can see that. 93. So if anybody's at SEMA and they see this engine, take a picture, send it over to my email. It's gonna be in the description box below, and I might do something interesting. All right, let's get on to that Honda Civic Type R quarter panel. All right, so got all the trims removed so we could have easier access to the quarter panel. Let's see what it's gonna look like once it's done. We also took off the door panels so we could have access to the skins, because we've got to change those out as well. Sorry that this video wasn't as entertaining or as much going on in it. We're still waiting for the body man to come back from vacation. So once he's back, I'll show you guys how we get this quarter panel knocked out. And with that, thank you for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys next week.